Tinkercad friends, I would like you to get in Tinkercad and let's make a fast fort. Once you've renamed your fort, let's switch to the top view and let's bring out a box. Let's use that cube again to do a combination top front view. That lets us see our measurements, and I would like you to change its measurements to be 10 millimeters by 5 millimeters, and let's make it 5 millimeters high. By clicking the box, type in 5 and pressing enter. That's a nice size brick, and it looks even cooler when you zoom in on it using the fit view to selection. Today's goal is going to be to learn how to master the duplicate command and using moves as we do it. So let's start by clicking on our cube and dragging it to the corner of our grid line. I'm going to zoom back out, and you can see that it fits exactly on the grid, and I've got it against that grid. If you want to switch your view cube, you can see it from all the different sides and from above, and even zoom out to home so you can see how the whole project looks. I would like you right now, and this is where you've got to be careful, click Control D, you'll see it blink, and then tap the arrow key to move your brick so that it's perfectly lined up. I'm going to zoom into Fit View to Selection so that way I can see better that it's perfect. And then I'm going to pick a different color for my brick. Now what's amazing, if you don't click anything else, if you do Control D one more time, it does the measurements for you. I'm going to pick another color. I'm going to zoom out. So I'm going to do the home button. And if I do Control D again, it'll move again and even let me pick another color. It's important to note that you cannot click on any other part of the screen or change it for this to stay. But if you just do Control D again, you'll have another brick, so you'll have 5 awesome bricks in a row for the start of our fort. At this time, I'd like you to grab all those bricks. So I'm dragging a huge box, and I'm grouping them. Now this is kind of sad because we lose our colors, but watch this. If you hit shape and turn on multicolor, they come back. Let's do Control D another time, and let's move our bricks up. So now we have 2 sets of bricks. Switch to your top view and find the rotate button. And I'm going to scroll in so I'm closer to the rotate button. When it turns red, let's snap it so it's 90 degrees. Notice I'm using those thick lines. And then I'm going to line this up so that the green is right on the end of the other wall. Because of our earlier choices, it's easy to get them to align. I chose measurements that would make that easy. Hit duplicate again and drag it so it's in place. And then do one last time, Control D, and drag this one in place. I want my green to match the red, so I'm going to use a cool flip command. To flip it, I'm going to click on this one and use flip and do the same trick. I'm going to flip it this way. And now my cool little fort has got a nifty brick wall created in almost no time. Let's make our wall larger by selecting it all and making it a group. Notice it keeps the multicolor. I'm going to switch to the front combination view, and I'm going to do Control D. You notice it blinked, and then I'm going to lift it up using the cone. When I've got that perfectly lined up, I'm going to look at it from the front, and then without touching anything else, I'm going to do Control D again, and it raises it up the exact right amount for every piece. It's that easy to make an awesome, colorful fort. Real quickly, I'm going to bring out a box. I'm going to put that box partially in, so we'll look at it from the top. See how it pokes through both sides. I'm going to go back to the side and make it look more like a door shape by dragging the middle handle. So now it's a rectangle. And then I'm going to group that to cut the door in to my cool house or fort. You can use these same skills to add windows to your fort. Note you do have to be patient while it renders and cuts, but soon you'll have a nifty fort with cool stripes just like that. The last piece is to put a roof on our fort. We're going to do that by pressing the W key, which is for work plane. Click up on that top edge so that it's flat, and then when you bring your roof out, you can pick any of these roofs. It'll fit right where you need to put it, and then just simply grab the black handles to stretch it so it fits perfect. At that point, you will have an awesome and efficient fort, and you will also have had some real quality practice using the duplicate tool. To get rid of the work plane, press W and click on the back on the blue edge, and you can pat yourself on the back for making an awesome project. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.